Hello friends. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create contact form in Joomla 5 website. A basic contact form is a great way to send a message or provide feedback, giving your visitors an easy way to contact you. This tutorial will help you create a contact form that sends emails to your Joomla user account email address. In Joomla 5, there are two ways to create a contact form. The first is to use the default Joomla contacts component, and the second is to use a form builder extension. Let's start from Joomla contacts component. Step 1. Log in to the Joomla admin panel and click on Components and then Contacts in the left side menu. Step 2. Create contact category. This is not required, but it is an organized way to create your category for the contact form. If you are using more than one contact form for different purposes, now click on the Categories menu from the right side. Then, click on the New button. Enter the category title and description. And then click the Save and Close button. Let's create contact form. Click on Contacts menu. Now you can click on Add your first contact button or New button from top position. Enter the name. Upload image if you want to display any image, position, email, address, mobile, website URL, and select category. And so more information you can set here, and these information will be displayed on contact form on front end side. Now click on Save and Close button. Now our contact form has created, but we can't access on front end site yet. So we need to create a menu and assign this contact form. Let's get start. Click on the main menu. Now click on New button. Enter the menu detail like title, select the menu type. Click on Contacts and select Single Contact. Choose Contact Display option as default, but you can change also if required. Select contact form which one we have created from contacts component. After that, just click on Save and Close button. Let's reload the website. You can see a new Contact Us menu has added. Click on it. You can see there are on top place contact information is showing, and below their contact form is displaying. Finally, we have created a professional Contact Us form in Joomla 5. You can try. If you have any problem, please comment below. I will try to help you. For more Joomla 5 tutorials, please subscribe our channel. Like and share this video. Thanks.